Welcome to Xapo Bank. Today we're going to show you how to make your first deposit and pay your membership fee. Let's get your account activated. To unlock full access to Xapo's app and services, you'll need to make your first deposit and pay your membership fee within 30 days. As a member, you'll get best-in-class security for your Bitcoin, seamless tools to transact and grow your wealth, and dedicated support. The membership fee is annual and needs to be paid in full to activate your account. We'd like you to try out your new account risk-free. If you close your account within 14 days, you'll get a full refund. Choose the currency that's most convenient for you. You can pay your fee in US dollars, British pounds, euros, Bitcoin, USDT, or USDC. If you'd like to make your deposit in Bitcoin, choose the standard network. This option can be used for larger deposits over $1,000, so it's perfect for paying your membership fee. Scan the QR code or click Share BTC address. Then make a deposit with a value of $1,000 from your wallet of choice. You should receive the deposit within 1 hour. Your $1,000 membership fee will automatically be deducted from your balance, and you will now have full access to the Xapo Bank app and services. Our dedicated support team is here to help. Just get in touch. We are happy to answer any questions or walk you through the deposit process step by step.